Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be talking about one of my projects we built for a website using Next.js technology. Before we start, let me give you a brief introduction about Forcebolt. Forcebolt is an industry-leading web, software and mobile development company that specializes in designing dynamic websites and native apps, including backend, front-end and database management services. We have a top-notch full-stack team with a diverse skill set and rich experience. We cover all aspects of the software development cycle, including business analysis, software architecture, design, development, testing and project management. So, without any further ado, let's start with the demo part. Today, I will give you a demo of my website functionalities. The purpose of this project was to build a website to manage the school level records. Let us suppose there is a company linked with various schools. In a single school, there are multiple records of students, student guardians, school staff, and with the help of this, every record could be easily managed with a single functionality. So, now let's start with the demo part. Here, I have logged in and this is the dashboard page. Firstly, I will create the student record and then I will show the functionalities according to the student record. So, I am creating a record and here are the student related details like first name, last name, gender, date of birth, family information and description. So as you can see, I have created one student record and now I will add the guardian details of the student. So let's add the information on the guardians related fields. And then save it. Now I will create a plan and later I will assign the plan to the student I have created. So let's now make a plan. I am going to student's account and from here I will create the plan. We will select the planning cycle and then the invites would be sent every month to the guardian. You can choose the time accordingly, like weekly, monthly, quarterly and other options are also available. If the planning cycle is set on annual, the invite would be sent once a year. So I am selecting the monthly plan cycle and I am selecting 20 as the date of sending the record. And I am selecting 2 days of generating the invoice report. As a part of the cycle start date, I am selecting 21. And for the billing cycle, I have chosen next and last in the plan and date. And then I save the record. Then I would like to edit some fixed rate on this plan like type, item description, and the amount, and later it is required to save it. And after creating a fixed rate, I can apply this plan to the student, and for that I need to click on apply. And now I will show the functionality of the payment method. So here is the student account. If I click on it, you can see the student details like student name, current place, last invoice name, and just near to it is the guardian table related to the student. And if I click on the manage payment method, here is the payment setting. From here, I can add the payment card. I filled the credit card details such as credit card number, expiry month, expiry year, CVV code, and then I saved them. After saving the details, the card is authenticated successfully, and from here you can see that the card has been added. And you can also remove the card from here whenever required. Here is the payment setting like contribution percentage, and if I enable the auto bill, invoice payment will be automatically detected from the Guardian's card. I am selecting No as the option of combining invoices, and then I am saving the fill details. These were some functionalities related to this project, like the edit payment method, the functionality of managing a payment method, and some other basic functionalities. That was all for my project. Are you looking to hire full stack developers for your application development? Choose Forceboard, the leading full stack development company with the most viable pricing. We have a talented pool of skilled resources who have rich experience developing high-end web, Android and iOS applications for higher performance, scalability and compatibility. Get in touch with the top-notch certified developers now.